Alright guys, welcome back to 300 push-ups morning routine, day 26. So without any delay, let's go do this workout. I think it's gonna be really simple. Nothing is hard. Let's go. Oh, today I'm also blue. Blue jacket, blue pants, blue watch. Everything is blue. 1, 2, 3. Up. Two minutes 17 seconds. Already 120. Just nice. Just a great day. I did my personal record again, which is just unbelievable. And as I believed at the beginning of this video, I said that it's gonna be easy. And it wasn't really hard. I done in 9 minutes 42 seconds. Somebody probably cutting trees, which is not good. But it is what it is. We used to heat the houses, even though we don't have winter anymore. It's just normal, casual autumn. So I'm showing you the forest where I am, where I was a couple days ago. So beautiful here. The one thing probably why I did push-ups much faster than yesterday and the week ago is because yesterday I was in sauna. I sweat a lot there, just stayed in the sauna for 15 minutes couple times and then in the swimming pool and let my body rest. Yesterday also I was in MMA, just trained, but probably I have injury in my ankle and the feet, but doesn't matter. I'm not training legs today, I'm only training arms. Alright, day 26, 300 push-ups morning routine is done. See you tomorrow in a day 27. Probably I need to do more challenges, more challenging, more difficult.